Take me to the prince. I want to go to the palace. I want to go to the palace. Take me to the prince. Hey, my prince, I'm coming. My prince. My prince, wait for me. Take me to the prince. Take me to the prince. I want to see my prince. I want to see my prince. Take me to the prince. Take me to the prince. Take me to the prince. I want to see the prince. I want to go to the palace.
To you.
Go and tell the prince that the future queen of Aziza kingdom is here. She will be waiting at the outer courts.
Okay, let me say you did it.
Coming.
Greetings, my prince. The future queen of Aziza kingdom is here. She's waiting outside.
Future queen? Sonia?
Yes, my prince.
Oh, I don't want to see her. I'm just waking up. She can be the first person to grace my beautiful day.
Okay, my prince. Go right there, my prince.
Tell her I'm still sleeping. Tell her I can't open my door now. Just tell her anything.
Okay, my prince.
Wait.
My prince.
What are you going to tell her?
That my prince is sleeping. He's not responding. Okay, my prince. The prince is sleeping, he's not responding.
Is that what he asked you to tell me?
No, I have knocked several times on his door. He's not responding.
I saw him watched from his window. I'm very much aware that he is awake and he knows that I'm here.
How would he know?
Thank you for your message, but I'll be here waiting.
Let me go back and check if he will respond.
Sorry for disturbing you. Please, sir, can you just help me with any money at all so that me and my mother we can eat? Please, I'm begging you.
Money? Shishi!
To be sincere, map my pocket for you. I not get money. But I think say my guy get good money.
I take news I get money.
You get, you don't do like that. You help the poor.
Please, I beg you. Any amount at all. Thank you.
Not for you.
Hey, Oga, thank you very much.
It's for two of us.
Thank you.
Later I will give you back.
Thank you.
Guy, look at this beautiful girl running mad.
She's not actually mad. She was given birth to and raised by a mad woman, living in a dungeon. Ha, my brother. See, all is small. All her life, they have been living in refuse dumps.
This life is actually cruel.
Only well? My brother, her mother is as beautiful as she is. Imagine men sneaking into her boat to sleep with her. See, that girl. See, let me tell you, that girl is a product of an illicit sex. Between a sane man and an insane woman.
Chai!
See, my brother, leave that matter. How your girlfriend?
Which girlfriend? Which girlfriend?
You want the lie now, dude.
Because we don't get 1,000, they get girlfriend.
But you bring her 1,000, give her now.
Nah.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Auntie, please. Please, I want to know if you can give me anything at all, so that me and my mother we can eat anything at all, ma. Please. Yes, ma'am. Anything.
Take me to the prince, Mama! Take me to the prince! Take me to the prince! Mama! Take me to the prince! Take me to the prince! Take me to the prince! You are wicked! Take me to the prince! No! Take me to the prince! 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 I want to go to the prince! I want to go to the palace! The prince! Take me to the prince!
It's okay now!
No! Take me to the prince! Take me to the prince!
Ogini kameruwa nwa bịaruwa tabo we ya na fufu onye mụchara nwa rapụ nwa ya n'ikpa afịbịa onye rụchara ụlọ ga-biri n'ikpa afịbịa ọ na-agbawa obi ọ na-agbawa obi
Not again! Which song?
Can't you hear? There's a song it's calling me.
No!
Wait. Where is it coming from? You can't hear the song? Oh, now I can hear the song.
Hey, Dad! Stop him! Stop him! Lock that gate! Do not allow him!
Open it. You can't hear the song. What are you doing? What are you doing?
What is your problem?
Mother, can't you hear the song?
Which song?
It's playing, it's loud.
Which song? Which song are you talking about?
You cannot hear the song.
Gats, take him to
No, mother, no now. You cannot understand. No. Can't you hear this song? What are people doing? So can't you hear the song?
I can't.
It's playing, it's calling me. Mother, stop this now. Tell them to leave me alone. Can't you hear this song, mother? cannot hear this song.
If we can only last.
Has it been long? About an hour or two.
Was the prince aware that you've been waiting for him out there?
Yes, it was. I sent one of his guards to tell him that I'm around. But he returned with a lie saying the prince is asleep. But I saw him peeping through his room when he heard I was here. I understand that's his usual way of trying to dismiss me.
I am sorry. I am very, very sorry that you're going through all this just because of the favor you are rendering to the royal home.
Oh, it's okay, Your Majesty. I am not complaining. It's my destiny. My fate. I won't allow anything to come between me and my destiny.
That's the fate.
Thank you.
No problem. Let's go.
It's all right.
People should be mindful of whatever they do these days, cause there is always a repercussion.
Please forgive me.
That's okay. It's okay. See, we'll get to the root of this problem.
I'm so ashamed of myself.
You don't have to be. See, it's a natural disaster. And no one fights nature.
Will I ever be normal again?
Of course you will. I promise you that I will get to the root of this problem. Take that from your mother. And it's coming out from the queen of this great kingdom.
Thank you, Mother.
It's okay. Now freshen up and go and see her.
Oh, no. I can't see her, Mother, not today. Not after everything that happened in her presence.
Everything that happened for a reason, son. So freshen up and go and see your bride-to-be. Please.
If we can only last for a while, no matter how tough the night may be, they must surface in one another. Truth must be told.
Greetings, my prince, the heir apparent to the throne of our Caesar.
Greetings to you too. Sit down.
Thank you, my prince.
I was told you've been here since morning.
Yes, I have been at the palace since 9 a.m. But I was told my prince, my husband-to-be, is still on bed.
My apologies.
Thank you, my Prince Charming.
I see you've been offered something to drink.
Yes, as you can see.
Nice. Nice. So how are your parents?
They are doing great, just that they're worried, you know. They've been asking me when the prince will come pay my bride price, but I'm out of excuses.
The prince will not be pressured into marriage by anyone. Not at all. I'm taking my time. The royal wedding will happen. But it will happen at the right time.
When is the right time? Am I wasting my time here? I have a life to live. I hope to be in the UK pursuing my career, but your mother, the queen, asked me to come down here to get married to you so I could be the next queen. I've been here for 6 months and nothing has been said or done concerning our marriage. Whenever I ask you, you keep telling me at the right time. When is the right time?
You don't raise your voice at me, woman. I am the heir apparent to the throne of a Caesar kingdom.
Don't walk out on me. Not again! I can't take this anymore. What's all this? I have had enough of your son. If he thinks I am one of those cheap local girls without ambition flocking around him, then he should have a rethink.
You don't have to raise your voice on the queen. Sonia, what is it?
I am sorry, but I can't take it anymore. If your son thinks he's from the royal home, I too, I am from the ruling class, an elite family. The item is stop treating me like a nobody and accord me with the respect that I deserve, the better for him.
Pull yourself together, Sonia, and tell me what went wrong.
What am I doing here? You asked me to leave the UK to come down here to get married to your son, so we could ascend the throne of his father as king and queen. It's been 6 months and no one is talking about our marriage. Anytime I bring up the issue, your son keeps telling me at the right time. What does it mean by at the right time, for God's sake?
Calm down. I will get the answer for you. Calm down.
At first, they sent the palace guard to lie to me that he was sleeping while he was awake. He keeps behaving as though I am forcing myself on him. I want better things to do in the UK than to be here forcing myself on a prince who doesn't care about me.
It's okay. I said it's okay.
I know.
Hey, pick no further. You don't have to raise your voice on the queen. I am the queen, and I will handle it. Excuse me.
Mother, you cannot keep doing this. You can't keep doing this. I'm a man, a full-fledged man.
A man that came forth from a woman. And that same woman is standing before you right now. I gave birth to you. And everything that you are enjoying, the status that you are parading with today, came from me. I gave birth to you. If I did not give birth to you, would you be the prince? If I did not give birth to you, would you be the heir apparent to the throne of Aziza kingdom? I gave birth to you. If I did not give birth to you, you would have been somewhere wasting as a commoner. So whenever I come around you, do not try to show me or tell me what you can do and what you cannot do.
Mother, you chose that lady, right? Your choice, not mine. But it's all right. I love you and I respect you as my mother, okay? I've accepted. I'll get married to her. But you need to calm down. Tell her to calm down. She shouldn't start forcing me and putting me under unnecessary pressure. No!
What unnecessary pressure are you talking about? Huh? Is it not yet time you ascend to your father's throne? I'm asking you. Are the morning days of the king not yet over? What are you waiting for to do the necessary thing?
Mother, you amaze me. You live in this palace with me. The lady you want me to marry, she comes here all the time. She has witnessed it before. I have issues, right? I'm ashamed to say it, but I have problems. I mean, I don't even want to call it a mental issue, but it looks like it, right? Why is everybody bothered about me getting married? Why are you not concerned about the problem that I have? I am going to be king. You want me to become a king and become a laughing stock? I move on the road and people look at me, they gossip with my name, they insult me and call me a mentally challenged king. Is that what you want? I need to fix my problem before I get married.
Son, your problem is my problem. And it bothers me most than it bothers you. And we're in this together. And I promise you that soon, I mean very soon, it will be a thing of the past. And you will come out of this bondage.
Fine. Wonderful. God bless you, Mother. Can the marriage plans be suspended till I come out of the bondage?
Oh God, not again.
Is that too much to ask? Huh?
For a while, no matter how tough the night may be, they must surface in one level. Truth must be told. Makade bujafi makao.
Sit down. I think he's ashamed of it. He's not proud. And he doesn't want to talk about it.
Your Majesty. Ashamed of what exactly?
Sonia, my son is having mental attacks. And it happens frequently. It comes often. And it is nothing to be proud of which you have witnessed it severally. Huh? So he said that he cannot forge ahead without first of all knowing where this thing is coming from. Remember your wedding and his coronation is going to happen same day. And he does not want to ascend the throne as a mental disabled king. And I am beginning to understand him from this point of view.
Your Majesty, if he loves me the way I love him and value me the way I value him, this is why we need to come together to look for a solution to this problem. What if I'm the solution to this? We are going to be husband and wife. That is why we need to confide on each other now, so that we can join hands together and fight this battle for God's sake.
He is ashamed of it. I mean, no one can be proud of this. Well, I can understand you. I will speak to him so that both of you will sit down and talk like man and woman to be. Okay?
Your Majesty, I am really sorry I raised my voice at you earlier today. I was only upset of how it worked out on me.
Oh, come on. I understand you perfectly. No woman, I am a woman. I am a woman. And no woman will want any man to take her for granted. Okay?
Thank you for your understanding.
Oh, you're always welcome, anytime, any day.
Your Majesty.
She's missing the love of her life. Who will soon be married to another bride. It's love. Yes, now love wanted to.
Did you just say love?
Hey,
See,
this girl.
my dear, she is nothing but the prince's sex toy.
Obviously.
Her work is just to warm the prince's bed while he gets prepared for his marriage with Sonia.
Look at this one.
You want to push me down?
Look at this one. Look at this one. She's leaving.
She want to push me down.
Hey, yeah. No, don't worry. The prince will marry you, oh.
Child.
Love that girl.
Please leave that girl, people.
I swear.
My dear.
How did it go today?
My dear, he almost gave me the same attitude as before, but I couldn't take it. I had to confront his mother, the queen, angrily. She confronted him, and he gave her the same reason on why he's avoiding to get married for now. Same reason as usual, the mental health attacks, you know. He said he wants to find out the cause of it and he needs to get a permanent solution to the issue. Yes! Today's attack was even worse. I got scared. I don't even know what to do. I'm very serious. He almost ran out of the palace naked. He was acting like a madman. The mother had to order the guards to, you know, tie him down so he won't leave the palace.
This is serious.
Very serious, my dear.
So what are they going to do about it?
His mom said she will get involved in the case, that she will find a solution to it. I trust his mother, she's a go-getter, so she will find a solution to it ASAP.
Woman that owns my heart. Look at you, you're so beautiful. You're so stunning. Believe me, you're the most beautiful woman in the world. You know that, right? What's wrong?
Flatters. That's all I get. You have never backed your words with actions. Well, I know you don't love me. I'm just a sex toy.
Oh, don't say that. You're not a sex toy. I love you. I swear. I swear. On my late father's grave, I love you with all my heart. You're the only woman that my heart beats for.
So why is she coming around? Why is the queen making serious marriage plans with her? My prince. When are you going to tell the queen about her love? Are you not old enough to talk to her about us?
Of course I am. I'm a man. I'm not a child. I'll tell her. I promise you, I'll tell the whole world, but not yet.
What is my fate in this? What is my lot? My brains, I'm tired of this hide and seek. I'm tired.
I understand. But that day will come. Believe me. Soon enough, that day is going to come. The day when I'll tell the whole world, my mother, everybody, how much I love you and how much I want to be with you. And when that day comes, nobody can stop us. Not even my mother. Oh, you look lavish.
I know, yes.
Oh.
How about you tell me how your day went?
Take me to the freeze. Wicked people, wicked generation. Take me What have I done to you? What have I done to you people? What have I done to you people? What have I done to you people that you take me away from the palace? Take me back to the palace. If not, there will be no peace for everywhere. Anything, everything. Take me. Take me to the prince. No. I want to see the prince. The prince is waiting for me. The prince is waiting for me. I want to see the prince. I want to see the prince. Take me to the palace. Take me to the palace. Take me to the palace. No. Take me to the palace. Take me to the palace.
The song. Can you hear it?
What song? Are you okay?
The song.
My...
You cannot hear it?
No, what song, my prince?
The song is very loud. It's calling me. It's calling me.
My prince.
The song.
My prince, wait. My prince.
Ogini kamerua Mwaberuwa tabo weya na fufu Onye mụchara nwa rapụ nwa ya n'ikpa fibia Onye rụchara ụlọ gabiri n'ikpa fibia
It's calling me.
Who is calling you?
The song. Hell, who is calling me?
Who is calling you now?
Can't you hear?
I am not hearing anything. What is it?
Why? It's calling me. It's calling me. You mean you cannot hear the song?
No. Close that gate. Calm down.
Don't do this. I am not mad. You
I know.
I'm not mad. Can't you hear the song?
Take it easy, please.
You cannot hear it.
Cannot hear the song.
I am not mad.
Get!
You cannot hear the song.
Agama koloni afufu webue mua Ogini kamerua Mwaberuwa tabo weya na fufu Onye mụchara nwa rapụ nwa ya n'ikpa fibia Onye rụchara ụlọ gabiri n'ikpa fibia Ọ na-agbawa opio
What is wrong with you people? Open this door, mother. Why are you people treating me like this? You think I'm mad? Can't you hear this song? Can't you hear the song? Mother! Mother, can't you hear the song? It's loud. Can't you hear it? Open this door. I'm not mad. Open the door. It's calling me. Mother, it's calling me. The song is calling me. I need to go and answer this call. Mother! Mother, please open the door. I'm fine now. Please. Mother. Mother, what is happening to me? What is happening to me? I'm dying. I'm dying slowly.
It's okay, son. Listen, I am on this with you together. Huh?
Then do something, Mother. If you're with me, do something before this thing kills me.
Trust me. I am on this with my full chest. We will get to the bottom of this. Everything will be fine. It's okay. It's okay, son. It's okay. Last time, what were you doing in my son's room last night before his attack?
Your Majesty, the prince and I are...
Yes? The prince and I are what? Yes?
The prince and I are in love.
Excuse me? The prince and you were in love, how?
Yes, Your Majesty, he promised to marry me.
Are you sick? How dare you? If you move an inch backward, what I will do to you? Just stand there sharp! How dare you? Huh? How come? You, a pig, in love with my son? Don't you have respect for sacred things? You sneak into my son's room every night to seduce him, and you still have the guts, the effrontery to speak this nonsense in my presence.
No!
Even you?
No, Mother. Let the young girl be. Everything she said, nothing but the truth.
Leave out this minute! Get out! Get out!
Yes, Mother. Exactly what I told you. I saw her and I fell in love with her. And since then, my love for her has been growing stronger and stronger every day. I love her very much. Sonia was your choice. I never loved her, and I don't love her. I don't feel anything for her.
I am so ashamed of you. Very much ashamed of you. I mean, how could you? How could you? It is so disgusting and so disheartening that a prince like you with a royal blood running all over you could stoop so low to mingle with a pig from the gutters. Huh?
Call her anything you like, Mother. I love her. That's the most important thing. She's the woman I love and I care so much about her, and there's nothing anybody can do about it.
And you even promised her marriage?
Yes, I did.
Oh. I thought your problem is just one. I never knew there are many. Never knew.
Say anything you like, Mother. I love her and she loves me very much. I care about her.
You know what? I am putting a call across Sonia's father. And I would tell him to get ready. And I am putting a call across the cabinet so that they will fix a date for your marriage feast. After all, the money days are over. And nothing will stop you from marrying Sonia. Nothing.
You can cannot control me, mother. I'm not a child. I'm not 17 years old. I'm a man. We're talking about my emotions here. We're talking about my feelings. You cannot choose a wife for me. I'm not ready to get married. When I'm ready, I'll choose my wife. Excuse me.
Son? Son? You don't have to walk out on me! Son! God damn it.
Let it be to you as you wish,
Why is she running out? Every day for the tea, and one day is for the owner of the house, my dear.
My sister, she sneaked in as usual.
Are you serious?
And they were doing kerewa on the bed.
They are mad.
And suddenly, the attack came. And the prince jumped down from the bed. And then, let me tell you this one. Our sister wanted to, you understand, rush out with her clothes. You know the next thing that happened? What happened? The queen happened.
Did you even hear what she told the queen? I and the prince are in love. I can never see anything. Oh, so look, please, let's go. Let's go. Let us stay. Yo.
Who is there? Go and call me that pig.
Who do you ask for?
Go and call Amia, whatever she calls herself. Go there and call her.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Hey. Now you listen. I want you to go in there and pack your bloodies and leave this palace this minute. Just get out! You swine! Fool! Hey. Now you listen. If I see that girl anywhere around this palace, you will go with her.
You will
Did you hear me?
Yes, Your Majesty. You will not see her.
Now go!
It's okay. Stop crying. Ozugo.
She humiliated me. She called me a pig. Swine.
The gods of our land are watching. They are not sleeping.
Papa, do you know what hurts me the most? Is that I did so many unthinkable things. I sacrificed so much for the prince. My prince, what you're asking me is It's beyond me. I can't grant your request.
Of course it's not beyond you. It's your body. It belongs to you. You give it to anybody you wish to give it to, so what makes you say it's beyond you?
My body is a gift, and I intend to keep it for my future husband, the father of my unborn children. I don't intend to give it up for any casual affairs that will not yield any internal value.
This is not going to be a casual affair. Alright, let me open up. From the very first day I saw you, I fell in love with you. Yes, I've been trying so hard to subdue the feeling, but it just won't go away. It's getting stronger and stronger every day, and I decided to give the feeling a chance. I pray you decide to give it a chance as well.
My prince, you and I know that this is not going to yield any good value. A prince wants to fall in love with a common palace maid. My prince, you know that is not possible. It's not going to work.
Of course it's going to work. It's going to work. We can make it work. I'm not a child. I'm a man. A prince can fall in love with a palace maid. I choose for myself who I want to be with. The most important thing is what I feel for you. And the fact that I'm proud of it. Yes, what matters is what I feel for you. And the fact that I'm ready and I'm proud to tell the whole world about my feelings for you.
My prince, I don't want to do anything I'll regret in the future. I'm a very emotional person. If you turn your back, tomorrow it's going to break me.
I will not turn my back on you. I promise you, I will stand by you till the end of time. Cross my heart.
I miss my period and I'm pregnant for you.
You're not joking, right?
Joke? Why would I want to joke with something as sensitive as this? I'm pregnant.
Alright, so what do we do about it?
What do we do? I'm supposed to be asking the question here. What do we do?
You have to abort it.
What? I thought you said you were bold enough to declare your love for me to anyone who cares to listen.
Yes, I said that. I made you a promise and I intend to stand by my promise, but I care about you. Right? I really care about you and I will not fail you.
Why do you want me to abort this child? Why?
Look, I have bigger problems. I don't know what's happening to me. Those attacks that keep coming, I don't know what it's all about. I wouldn't want to call it mental attacks, but it just keeps coming. I don't know what to do. I'm the prince, and I should be the next king. Once I get married, the next day I'll be crowned king. I don't want people to see me as a king who has mental issues. It would be an insult.
Okay. I've been meaning to ask about this. What is this then? Where does it come from?
I don't know. Believe me, I don't know.
I've been meaning to ask. What is that and where does it come from?
I don't know. I just don't know. It makes me ashamed. I don't know. I just start hearing the song, same song. I start hearing it and it's like the song keeps calling me, drawing me to go find where it's coming from. I don't know what it's about. Like it's coming from some abstract place. I don't know. I believe it's a spiritual attack. Still don't know how to fix it. But until I do, my problem is not marriage. Neither is it having a child.
Okay. So have you taken any practical steps in solving this problem?
Yes. I've been doing a lot. I believe I'll get to the root of it. But until I do, I can't get married. Please understand, please. I love you very much and I mean it, but understand, please.
But you know why this whole thing hurts me? I refuse his advances on me. I refuse, Papa!
And what did the prince do when she asked you out of the palace?
I'm not sure he knew about it. When the queen asked me about my affair with the prince, he intervened. He told her he's in love with me, that he wants to marry me. Afterwards, she called me and sent me out of the palace.
It's okay, my daughter. Stop crying. I will handle this situation my own way. Stop crying. Those same things to me. I should come and report to you. Great Ogugu. Today I have come to report to you the Queen of Aziza Kingdom. If what she did to my daughter is good, I want you to judge her. And if also what she did to my daughter is bad, I also want you to judge her. Great Ogugu! Great Ogugu! Great Ogugu!
Hey! Mama? Mama, stand up so you can eat your food. Hey! Mama, stand up so you can eat. Ah, Mama, I want to put your leg inside the food. Oh! Mama, don't even start now. Mama, you need to eat. Mama, see this. Mama, see, I bought apple when I was coming back from where I went to collect money. I went to beg people. Mama, if you're in here, see I like here. Mama talk about I even bought meat, Mama. Mama, taste it. Mama, eat now. Mama, if you not eat, I will not take you to the palace. Unless you don't want to go to the palace. Oh yeah, eat so I'll take you to the palace.
You take me to the palace?
Yes, I'll take you to the palace. We'll go and see the prince, yeah? Mama, sure you like it, Abby?
The prince?
You like the soup?
Soup?
Yes.
Soup.
Mama, I know you like it. The soup is very nice. Hey! If I'm walking a go. Hey! Mama, eat.
The prince.
Mama, eat now. You will see the prince. Don't worry. You will see the prince. Mama, sure you like it? Mama. Mama? Mama, are you crying? Mama, why are you crying? Hey. Mama, why are you crying now?
I want to see the
prince.
Oh, Mama, you know that each time you cry, it always breaks my heart. I don't like it whenever you are crying now. Mama, stop.
I want to go to palace.
Sure you want to go to the palace, Abi? Oh, yeah,
Yes.
don't worry. Come and eat your food. Oh, yeah, just eat. If you eat now, I'll take you to the palace. Mama, I'll take you to the palace. Oh, yeah, eat. Mama, eat. Let me take you to the palace now. Oh, yeah, eat the last one, Mama. Just eat. Eat now, Mama. Mama, just eat. Eat, so I'll take you to the... Mama, just eat your food. Eh? Eat your food. Mama, I will take you to the palace. I will take you to the palace. Hey, Mama, they normally chop and jack and wait tell you that night. Hey, Mama, you don't want me to take you to the palace, so if you want me to take you to the palace, we eat. Oh yeah, take. Mama, take now. Mama, eat your food.
I want to go to the palace.
Mama, why are you doing this now?
My prince is waiting for me.
Oh yeah, come and drink water. Oh, Mama, eat your food.
I want to go to the palace.
Oh yeah, take.
No, take me to the palace.
Hey!
Take me to the palace. Take me
Mama,
to the
Mama,
palace.
okay, I will take you to the palace.
Take me to the palace. Take me to the palace.
Mama, Mama, drink water first. Drink water.
Take me to the palace. Take me to the palace. Take me to the palace.
Hey!
Take me to the palace. Take me. I want to see my prince. I want to see my prince.
Mother, you have no reason whatsoever to send her out of this palace. No reason.
I have every reason.
What reason do you have?
She is a distraction to you. I mean, you should focus more on your relationship with Sonia. You should focus on getting married to Sonia and ascending to your late father's throne. I mean, how long would you want the people of Aziza Kingdom to remain kingless?
For God's sake, Mother, I am not a child. I have every right to choose the woman I want to marry, and I will marry someone I love.
Lies. You lie. You are royalty. You don't just get married to a woman that you love. You are not married to yourself. Rather, you are getting married for the whole kingdom. You are not just getting married to any woman, but a woman that has the knowledge, the vast knowledge, the intellectual prowess. A woman that will stand by you to rule this kingdom, to take decisions when it comes to crucial matter. A woman that will help you to pilot the affairs of this kingdom. And not a common woman from a dungeon that has nothing on her skull when it comes to taking a crucial decision on the matters of the kingdom. What is it? Yeah, what? What song? No. Gas! Not now, please, son.
She's calling me. Come here. Leave me alone. Say, leave me alone.
Take him to his room.
Leave me alone. Mother, can't you hear? Leave me alone.
To his room and lock him up.
Let me be.
Go.
I said, let me be.
Go.
Can't you hear the song?
I am not hearing the
You are deaf, mother. You are deaf. You can't hear the song. Let me be.
Lock him up. Take him to his room and lock him up.
You are all deaf. Can't you hear the song?
Oh my God. What is this?
Your Majesty. I want to know why you brought me down here from the UK. On the basis that I will get married to the prince as soon as possible. It's been 6 months and nobody is saying or doing anything concerning my marriage to the prince. And he is making it seem as though I am forcing myself on him.
Calm down. Just calm down.
I am calm, Your Majesty.
Good. Sonia, first of all, I must apologize for your coming down and delay of the whole thing. You see, it wasn't my intention to waste your precious time unnecessarily. My intention was for you to come down and get married to my son immediately. But the circumstances beyond me made it difficult and brought these delays. So please.
What circumstances are you talking about, Your Majesty?
My son's mental health is deteriorating. And he kept having these attacks frequently. And it kept going higher and higher every day. My son's mental health should be paramount to us. I know you wouldn't want to settle down with a mentally disabled king.
Your Majesty, this old drama it's making me think that this is your son's plan to, frustrate me out of this country. To frustrate me out of his life so that he would get married to someone else.
Sonia, please. How would you say a thing like that?
Because he's making it obvious that he does not need me. He's putting it to my face that he's being forced to get married to me. And that is giving me a lot of concern.
Oh, no. See, my son has no say in this matter. It is the responsibility of the king and his lolo to actually choose a suitable wife for their prince or for their son that will take after his father's kingship. Okay, I was actually going out to really find out what is going on before you drove in. You know what? You will join me in this journey so that you find out things by yourself. I am not lying to you. Huh? Lying. My son has been having spiritual attack that comes like mental disability. And I am here to know the root end of it and the cause for it.
The prince choose whom to marry. The person that's supposed to be the queen. The position you acquire today. But you treacherously sent her far away. The anguish and pain in her voice is what is causing your son mental attack. And it will not stop until her position is given back to her. No man or woman is going to cure it.
Wise one, who is this woman you're talking about?
She knows exactly what I'm saying.
I don't know what he was talking about.
Your Majesty, you just said you knew exactly what he was talking about and you never objected.
Oh, is Media Angole?
Who is Maid Angole?
One of the palace maid. She was having an affair with my son. I never knew until I caught her pants down. Then I had no option than to send her back.
Ikenna is cheating on me with the palace maid.
So irritating. So shameful. But don't bother. I handled the situation. I sent her back.
You've done nothing. You heard what he said. That his mental health will not be resolved until that woman comes back into the palace.
It's okay. Calm down. handle it.
You can undo what? How did I get myself into this?
You are creating a scene here.
You and your son have done enough in my life. Enough tragics.
Sonia, stop. Stop, I will handle it. Please.
You can handle it. You can't.
Sonia? Sonia!
Whatever they do is there, 'cause there is always a repercussion at the end. Anything done in the dark must surface one day. Ofaka rutamanu uzoromu banu banu ujiaji nenu wanenu emisheru kurana bukiteyo.
I don't want it that way. I don't want it that way. I want a man that will love me as much as I love him. Do you know the prince has never kissed me for once? And here he is, sleeping with a palace maid. Can you imagine that? I feel so worthless. I feel so used. You have a point, but this is too much for me. I can't handle this. I don't think I can. It's alright, I'll call you back, okay?
Evil can only last for a while. No matter how tough.
Good morning, Your Majesty.
If the money is as good as sound, your face wouldn't have been like this. What is the problem?
Your Majesty, I am fed up. I need to know.
Talk to my ears alone. Okay, let's go inside, please.
Destiny can be delayed, but not denied. Not denied.
I'm just confused right now. How can the priest be saying that Madam Oleya just sent out of the palace is the cause of Prince Ikenna's attack? Prince Ikenna was already having the attack before she came to this palace. Yes. And he has been having the attack ever since she came into this palace. I just sent her packing a few days ago. Why would the priest say that sending her away is the cause of my son's problem? Wait though. He might be talking about whatever it is, I am in charge. The only problem that has no solution is death. I'm in charge.
Hey, thank God though. At least my mama will see enough money to buy what we use in cooking. I think this money is enough to make soup for me and mama. It's enough. What soup will I even make for mama now? Let me even ask her. Mama? Mama? Mama?
My prince! Hey, Mama, wait! Prince.
Mama, the prince is not here. Wait now.
I thought you told me that you will take me to the prince. You will take me to the palace to see the prince.
Yes, Mama. I said that, and I will do it. I will take you to the palace. But Mama, see, we made plenty money today. I want to go to the market and buy something for us so that we can eat. I want to cook soup. Mama, which soup will I cook for you?
When are you taking me to the prince? I want to see the
Mama,
prince.
Mama, wait now. Mama, you will go and see the prince. Okwa prince.
Oh.
I will take you. You go and see the prince. But I'm asking you now. What should I make? I mean, I want to make soup. So what should I make for us so that we'll eat? That's what I'm asking you. Soup.
Soup. Soup. Prince will give us soup. Prince will give us soup.
Mama, I know that I know.
Let's go to
Mama,
the
I will
palace.
take you to meet. Mama, wait now.
Let's go to the palace. We'll
Mama,
see the prince.
Mama,
Prince
I will take
give
you.
us soup.
Okay, wait. I will take you to the palace. But I'm asking you now, what should I buy? Mama, see plenty money. You don't see money. What should I buy in the market? What soup should I make for you? That is what I'm asking you, Mama. Tell me, what do you want?
Soup.
Okay, Mama, don't worry. Mama, don't worry. I will just buy anything. I will just make the choice by myself. Yeah?
The palace. The palace.
Wait. Mama, just lie down. Just lie down. I'm coming. Mama, don't go anywhere. Oh. Inugo. Mama, don't go anywhere. Just stay here. I'm going to the market. Let me go and buy something for us. Yeah? Mama, stay here. Oh, stay here. Mama, don't go anywhere. Oh, I'm coming. The prince. I want to see the prince. I want to go to the palace. I want to see my prince. My prince is waiting for me. My prince. Me? Hey! Mama! Hey! Mama! Mama! Kidnappers! My prince, please take me to the palace. I want to see the prince. Mama, you will see the prince. Hey! Mama, see them. Mama, they are here. Mama, they are here. Mama, they are here. Let me to the palace. No, I want to the palace. Take me to the palace. My prince is waiting for me. Mama, take me to the palace. Mama, wait now. Take me to the palace. Take me to the palace. Take me to the palace. Mama, it's okay. Palace, I want to go to the palace. I want to go to the palace. I want to see my prince. Hey, Mama, no now. No. I want to go to the palace. I want to go to the palace. No. No. Mama, wait. Mama, wait. No. I want to go to the palace. Mama, wait. No. No.
want to see my prince. I want to see my prince. I want to see my prince. I want to see my prince. No! Hey! Mama, prince. Mama, prince.
Yanga, oh, Yanga. Yanga, oh, Yanga. Yanga, oh, Yanga. Yanga, oh,
The sound is here.
Hey,
leave me alone. Can't you hear this?
Take him to the car, straight.
Which car?
And take him straight to the... Straight. I am help them.
Mother, what are you doing? Can't you hear the sound? Huh? Can't you hear it? What are you telling me you cannot hear the sound? Mother, can't you hear the sound? It's calling me.
Ogini kameruwa nwa bịaruwa tabo we ya na fufu onye mụchara nwa rapụ nwa ya n'ikpa fibia onye rụchara ụlọ gabiri n'ikpa fibia ọ na-agbawa obi ọ na-agbawa obi mutara nuwa simu tabafufu namo mutara murapo nuwa chebesia yanka muna fufu nebesia ewo ijuwa agama koloni fufu ebuemu ogini kameruwa Ogini kameruwa nwa bịaruwa tabo we ya na fufu onye mụchara nwa rapụ nwa ya n'ikpa fibia onye rụchara ụlọ gabiri n'ikpa fibia ọ na-agbawa obi ọ na-agbawa obi
Is it not time you give up?
Well, there's no giving up on this one. I have told you before, I am obsessed with her.
How can you possibly be obsessed with a mad lady?
Look, I have told you so many times that she is not mad. The next time you address her as such, I will not take it lightly with you.
Okay, fine. But have you thought of what it will take separating her from her mother?
And who said I was going to separate her from her mother?
Then how are you going to help her? How are you going to help her without separating her from her mother? Because the only help you need to render to her is to take her out from that dungeon and give her a better life.
Exactly. I will give her a better life without separating her from her mother. Simple.
How?
My willpower is how.
gịnị ka mmerụ ụwa nwa bịara ụwa tagbu onwe ya n'afụfụ onye mụchara nwa rapụ nwa ya n'ikpe afịfịa onye rụchara ụlọ ka biri n'ikpe afịfịa ọ na-agbawa obi ọ na-agbawa obi
See, I'm a crown prince, so I'm a prince. People realize you abducted the prince of this land. Why are you showing me a gun? What is this thing about?
My friend, calm down. Your mother is aware of this. Just relax.
My mother? Even at that, you must tell me where you are taking me to. Where are you taking me to?
Akwasi ebe bere ugobere nke si ibi ebele ukupakwa ya ani me akpochashi ihe ọwụla na-esi mụ na Chukwu na ndụ gị asị ka m na-ekpochashi ya taa ka ị ga-enwere onwe gị mbọsị taa ị ga-enwere onwe gị n'eke ị ga-enwere onwe gị n'Nkwọ ị ga-enwere onwe gị n'Orio anyị ga-enwere onwe gị n'Afọ and what time she could be over? What a dog!
You have no right whatsoever to subject me to such inhumane treatment. No right. What has come over you, mother?
Seeking for solution to your ceaseless mental attacks.
Lies. You are lying, mother. What nonsense solution seeking are you talking about? What rubbish solution seeking will make you subject the heir apparent to the throne of this kingdom to such inhumane treatment? Sending me to a native doctor, a witch doctor, whatever, without my consent. What sort of solution seeking will make you send me to a place where people will abduct me, subjecting me, rendering me useless, leaving me to the mercy of assassins, murderers, bloodsuckers, your own child? What has come over you? What solution seeking will make you send me to a place where they'll strip me naked, tie me up with a white cloth without letting me know? What is wrong with you? In my father abomination!
Desperate situation requires desperate measures. So I have to take desperate measures!
Lies, mother, you are lying. I can see it in your eyes. You did it for your own selfish interest, not for me.
I don't know what you're talking about.
You damn well know what I'm talking about, mother. These ceaseless attacks, the mental attacks that I'm having, you know what I'm talking about. You know what is happening to me. It's written all over you. Don't try to lie. You see this route that you're applying? It will not work. Mother, I'm not a child. I can see it written all over you. You know what is happening to me and you better start talking.
I still do not know what
I said start talking, woman, because if I find out myself, if you leave me to find out myself, oh, you will regret the day you gave birth to me.
I don't know what you're talking about! I don't know what you're talking about! What is the meaning of that?
What is the problem?
Oga, Hamatan is doing inside your motor. But he's not doing outside.
No, I mean it's the air conditioner, not Hamatan. But I can turn it off if you want. Should I?
Oga, Biko Bonua,
Okay.
Bonua, I'm not wearing sweater. We have to boom.
It's fine. It's fine. It's off now.
Thank you.
I hope you feel better.
Yes, thank you.
What is your name?
But I don't have a name, but people call me by my song, Yanga.
Yanga. And how did you come about this song?
So I grew up finding a mad woman to be my mother, and I know I'm not like her. I'm not mad like my mother, and we've lived in a refuse bin all our lives. So this song was given to me in my dream. Whenever my mother is sad or I am sad, I always sing the song, and that song gives us peace. I mean, whenever we are in agony, we are in pain, we are in sorrow, I always sing that song. And it comforts me and my mother.
Well, I'm really sorry that you had to go through all that.
There's no problem, sir.
Where is your mother from?
So like I said, I grew up finding a mad woman as my mother. I don't even know where my mother is from. But my mother always make mention of Aziza Kingdom. She always talks about Prince of Aziza Kingdom, and somehow I feel like my mother's condition has a connection with the palace or that kingdom, because all the time she keeps telling me to take her to the palace, and I will always promise her that I will take her there, and each time I promise I will take her there, she's always happy.
Well, I know Aziza Kingdom.
Yeah,
Aziza Kingdom is a very rich kingdom in the East region. I mean, it's very popular and a lot of people know its monarch. So I think I'll take you guys there.
Hey, Oga, brother, if you can do this thing for me, I will be so grateful. I will forever remain grateful to you.
You mean a lot to me. I will do even more than that, okay? Alright? It's fine.
Mama, wait. Mama, wait. Mama, wait. My priest. Mama, wait. Mama, you want to take us to the palace. You want to take us to the palace. To the palace? Yes, you want to take us to the palace to see the prince. To the palace? Yes. I want to see the prince. The prince?
Yes.
I want to see the prince.
Yes, Mama. You see the prince.
Mama, you see the prince. Mama, just calm down. You go, you see the prince. Just calm down, bro. Take me. Thank you. Mama, wait. No, Mama, you see the prince. Sir, but we need we need to change her clothes. She can't go looking like this.
Yeah, I mean, it's very important because where we are going to is very far. We can't come back the same day. So, I mean, she has to stay in a hotel and no hotel will take her like this.
Hey. Also, Mama, you will go. Mama, wait. Mama, you will go. The thing is that, see, the last time I tried to beat her, Mama refused though. She did not even allow me do it. That is the challenge here.
Well, we have to do something. Yeah. No hotel will take her like this.
Okay. I think the only way we can actually beat her is if there's any way we can try to put her in a deep sleep. Yeah. Then maybe at night I can actually beat her. By the time she wakes up, she's already looking good.
Fantastic. That's a brilliant
idea.
Yes,
Mama. Mama, wait now.
Prince is waiting for me.
Hey, now we'll go now. Wait, I said I will take you there. Just wait. He will take us there.
You don't want to take me
Mama,
to the prince again.
Now, Mama, wait.
You don't want to take me to the prince. Take me.
Mama, we'll go.
We'll
just
go.
calm down. We'll go to the palace. Oh, come and go inside first. We'll go.
You don't want to take.
Greater is the crown prince of Azza kingdom.
Does any of you know where Maid Angry lives? Am I not talking to people? Are you deaf?
My prince, I don't think any of us knows where she lives. Maid Angoli was a private person of all the maidens in the palace. I was the closest person to her, yet she never disclosed her home address to me.
And you?
I don't know her home address, my prince. Greetings, Your Majesty.
What did he come here to do?
You mean the prince?
Yes.
He came to ask about Maid Angoli's home address.
Really?
Yes, Your Majesty.
Okay.
This Angoli safe. So everybody is asking about. Okay.
What is it? What is it? Ogini, talk to me, what is it? Ogini! Talk to me, what is it?
It was a dream. It was a dream, Papa.
What kind of a dream was that? You almost shuttered down this house.
Papa, well, my life is in danger. Papa, the queen wants me dead. She wants me dead by all means.
Was that what you saw in your dream?
Yes, Papa. Papa, I saw an assassin. He was trailing me until he got me to the ground. He pointed a gun at me. And his last words were that my soul is needed in hell, where it belongs, where the prince cannot find me. Papa, it felt so real. It felt so real, Papa. I thought I was dead.
This is not an ordinary dream. It's a message from the gods.
Yes, Papa. I believe you because I wasn't sleeping. I just came to rest my head. This is really a message from the gods, Papa.
I know the gods of my forefathers, whom I serve in all sincerity of heart, will not allow this evil thing to happen to you. That was why they first revealed it to me, or to you rather. I know the prince will have no other choice than to marry you, whether the queen likes it or not. And if it doesn't happen, it means the gods of my forefathers whom I serve are not supreme.
Papa, so what do we do now? What do we do?
You are going to go to your maternal home right away until the appointed time when the prince will come asking for your hand in marriage.
Okay, Papa, let me go and pack. Let me go and pack my stuff.
People should be mindful of whatever they do these days. Cause they're...
Where is your daughter?
I told you my daughter is not in.
People are saying that they joke with you, Abi.
I'm not joking with you now.
I can't play with you.
You are searched everywhere. My daughter left for the city.
My source told me that your daughter is here, is living here. And he's very, very sure of it. You are with your daughter?
She left this morning for the city. She has a job in the city.
It is a joke, Abi.
I'm not lying to you now. If she were to be inside, you would have seen her. She left this morning for the city. She has a job to do in the city.
I'm not joking with you. If you are lying to me, if you dare lie to me, okay?
I'm not lying to you. My daughter is not in. I have come with this file to say thank you. I know you will not disappoint me because you have never disappointed me before. Does not matter how hard the queen may fight, they put a stop to it. I know your wishes will at the end prevail. Do it for me, great one. Say
tell me what I need to hear.
I get missed.
What?
Yeah.
How?
She left the village to the city.
That can't be true. My informant told me that she was there yesterday.
And her father confirmed it. And her father confirmed it that she left that same yesterday.
And you want me to believe this? I hope you're not trying to play games with me.
I am a professional to the core. I don't do dating. If I'm not good in my craft, you won't get in contact with me. So I urge you to relax, calm down and trust me.
I trust no nigger. You know what? Let me give you benefit of doubt. Put an eye on that man. He might be lying. Do you understand? Get this deal done, and when you're through, you know where to get me for your balance.
Copied. Any other thing?
That's all.
Can I leave? See you.
For where? He missed her. He said by the time he got there that she had already gone back to the city to start a new job. Yeah, Yeah, he said when he got to the house that he met her father. And the father said she went back to the city that same yesterday. You know, my point exactly. He's a professional according to the person that connects me to him. That's all I know about him. Yeah, I think this time around I'll have to work with my informant. He knows much about them, so I'll work with whatever he tells me.
The palace. The palace. Hey. The palace.
Brother?
The prince.
Brother, is this
the
the
prince.
palace?
The prince.
Oh yes, apparently it is.
Because my mother seems so happy.
The palace. The prince.
Yeah, the good thing is that we are very, very close to that right now.
Yes, please. I would like to see the queen.
Sorry, sir. I don't know this car. Who are you?
Well, my name is Mr. Fred.
And what are you doing here?
I said earlier I want to see the queen and it's very important.
Is she aware that you're coming?
No, she's not. I mean, do I need any special title before I can see the queen?
Go ahead, though.
Well, tell her I want to see her.
1 minute, I'll be back.
Your Majesty.
Yes, what is it?
The gatekeeper said a certain man by name Fred is here to see you. According to him, this fellow has not been to this palace.
Is his name the only information he was able to gather?
Yes, Your Majesty.
Then go back and tell him to leave the gate immediately. Because I have a lot of things to think about. If he has no information, let him go because I have no time for a faceless stranger.
I think he already did. He tried to get the fellow information, but this fellow won't give out his details.
Go there and tell him to leave immediately.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Go!
Sorry, sir. The queen ordered you to leave this palace gate right now.
Why?
Because she doesn't know you and she doesn't know your identity.
Well, I already told you my name. My name is Mr. Fred.
That's not enough.
So what is enough before I can see the queen?
Where are you from? Fred, what do you do and your mission to this palace?
Well, I came with
It's already late. No need to talk. I will advise that you leave this gate this minute.
I am coming from a very long distance and it is very important I see the queen.
Well, as you can see, I'm just a servant. If you like, come from Cameroon, Burkina Faso, you just have to leave this gate this minute. I mean, like right now.
Oh, that's not
Right. So you don't want to leave this gate?
I want to see.
Yes. Wait here, you see. I'll remember. Take me inside. Take me inside. I want to go inside.
Brother, it's like they don't want us to come inside.
Well, we've come a very long distance.
Hey,
I want to go inside. I want to go inside.
Yes, Mama.
I want to go and meet my prince. My prince is waiting for me. My prince.
Mama, you will go inside.
My prince, my prince.
We're already at the palace. You will go inside.
Take me inside. My prince.
Brother, so what are we now going to do?
Well, the thing is, we can't leave. We must fulfill our mission to this kingdom.
I know, but what I'm saying, like right now, what are we going to do now? Like not now.
Well, I mean, we have to just look for a hotel to lodge and then tomorrow we continue. We have to still go back to that kingdom. Yes.
Come back to where? This palace?
Yes.
Are you sure that people is going to allow us enter that palace? This one they're already behaving like this.
Well, a group of people were missing some time ago in this kingdom. And your mother has been talking about going to the palace. I feel like everything is connected. So, if we go there, I believe that your problem will be solved. There must be a way out of this. I mean, the queen has power, so she can definitely find your mother's family.
Okay, brother. If we now enter the palace, who are you going to tell the queen that we are?
She'll find a way out of it.
Okay, so...
But my only problem is, I just hope your mother won't be very aggressive at the hotel.
I don't know, but I'm not sure the queen will buy this idea. But as for my mother, if it means singing for her all through, there's no problem. I will sing for her.
So let's head to the hotel so she can rest for tomorrow.
Okay.
You're coming. Come in. Come on in.
Good morning, my friends. Your morning tea.
Please. And who are you?
I'm sorry, my prince. My name is Anwuli, the new palace maid.
New palace maid.
Yes, my prince.
What did you say your name is?
My name is Anwuli, my prince.
Anguli. Beautiful name.
Thank you, my prince.
Are you from this kingdom?
Yes, my prince.
I see. Who's your father and from which village?
My father is a mechanic from Umberi village, my prince.
I see. Nice. Anguli.
My prince.
You're very beautiful. Has anyone ever told you that?
Thank you, my prince. I should be on my way now. I'm not supposed to be seen chatting with my prince. Excuse me, my prince.
She no longer stays with our father. She left this kingdom the very first day you were supposed to carry out your assignment. I wouldn't know how professional you were with the job.
How I live in the village has nothing to do with me. I am a professional to the core. I don't have any friend. I don't have family members. Even well-wishers I don't have. Maybe you should check yourself or your informant.
Myself? Really?
Yes, really. That goes to you. Check yourself properly.
Anyways, that's in the past. Let's concentrate on carrying out this mission. Take this envelope. That's the direction to our maternal home in Ugoji. She now lives with a very old grandma who leaves the house in the morning and returns very late at night. There is no one else staying with her. So go there, finish up your mission and come back with news.
When do you want the heat?
Are we waiting for anyone else?
I'm just confirming.
I don't want to hear stories this time.
You will not hear any story. So far the target is in position. Good news is for you. Can I leave?
Yes, you can.
Brother, this water is very sweet though. Even breast for Mama. Eh?
Where did you get them from?
From inside that bucket that is inside that place.
Which bucket?
But I was even trying to carry the bucket. I was moving the bucket. Mama talked to I now say let me bring for Mama. Yeah, you want to just...
No, fine. That is the toilet.
It's very, very clean. Drink water now. You have not...
Look. That is the toilet. That is where people wee and poo-poo. Yes. Look, I know you're very hungry. I've already ordered water and food for you guys.
Hey! I'm in the toilet.
Yes!
Hey, and I've even drank the water, oh brother. Hey, let me... Hey! Hey!
Hello, customer. Customer, what is it now?
No, I'm okay.
What do you want to buy? Customer, what do you want to buy?
Don't worry, just give me 2
Do you know how much now? Customer, do you know how much?
Yes.
No lie, Loma, take them.
Okay, don't worry.
Thank you.
Okay, 42.
Customer.
Thank you. Do you know if I pull this trigger, you'll be a dead man? Are you aware? Are you aware? Good. So, what if you had entered the house and found me sitting or coming out of the room, I would have been a dead woman by now, right? Why? Why do you want to waste a life you didn't create? Why would you want to spill the blood of an innocent person when there is no immunity that guarantees that your own life is unspillable? You know, if I have your kind of mindset, you'll be dead by now. Yes. So I would ask you a question. If you were to choose between life and death, which would it be? Answer me before I pull the trigger.
I would choose life.
You would choose life. So that means you know the what of life. But yet, you choose to end someone else's life. Let me ask you a question. What is the worth of life to you? $10 billion? $100 billion? A life you can't create? You know, I would have handed you over to the village securities, but now, I don't want you to die. I believe you have a God-given destiny, and I wouldn't want to cut that short. Because I don't want other destinies that are attached to your destiny to suffer. When you kill a man, you don't just end his life. You end every other destiny attached to his destiny. So I'll let you go. So I'm going to give the gun back to you. If you choose to shoot me, but if you choose to walk away and be a free man, the choice is all yours. Shoot me. Shoot me! Do it!
Who are you? And why do they want you dead? Accomplished.
Are you sure?
Yes, I shot her on her forehead.
Good.
Inside the living room.
Good job. Wow. Yeah, now you're talking. Thank you so much. Nice doing business with you. I'll see you later, okay? In case there is any other stuff.
Yes. Hey, come back here. See your last prayer.
Please, I beg you. I beg you, please don't kill me, please.
I should not kill you, right?
Anything you want, if it's money, dollars, pounds, euro, I will make a call and it will be forwarded to you. Please spare my life.
You don't want to die, right?
No!
You don't want to die?
No.
You want to live?
Yes, please.
Oh. Why do you want to waste a life that you know fully well that you will not be able to create?
Please.
You want to spill an innocent blood?
Please, I beg you. Forgive me.
Huh? You think that your own life is unspeakable?
Please.
Your own blood? What makes you think it's unspeakable? Huh? You thought you have a grantee or what? No. Because of your rich or what?
No, please. Jesus, please. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
And you never patronize any assassin again.
I will never.
Let's make this assassin of any kind any longer.
Yes, sir.
Let's make this place a better place for us to live.
Yes, sir.
Your money.
Okay.
Take your money.
Okay, sir.
And I'll say this. I don't want to waste any other blood. I don't want to shed any other innocent blood.
Okay.
I'm a repentant soul. And I urge you to do so.
Okay, thank you. Jesus! Oh my God, what just happened?
Igwe Obina, one of Aziza Kingdom, are worried. What is keeping the prince from getting married and ascending the throne of his fathers?
Well, no. The reason is not far-fetched. You see, the constant mental attacks to the prince is giving him a lot of concern. And he stated categorically that he will not pick a wife or ascend to his father's throne. He has stated categorically that he will not pick a wife or ascend his father's throne without finding the solution, lasting solution to his problem. So he said he does not want to be the first mentally disabled king of Aziza Kingdom.
Wait. You mean the prince still experience those devilish attacks on his mind? He still hears those songs which none other hears except him?
The thing kept occurring every day.
Destiny can be delayed, but not denied. Let it be to you as you wish, other. Destiny can be delayed, but not denied. Let it be to you as you wish, other. Destiny can be delayed, but not denied. Let it be to
You again? Yes, me again. What have you come here to do again when the queen asked you to leave this palace?
Well, if you think that I'll be going back after driving such a long distance, then you must be joking.
I think you have to leave.
Do you hear me? Well, I'm not leaving until you tell the queen that I'm here to see her. I must see her.
She says she doesn't want to see you and she doesn't know you.
Well, that's why she's the queen. She doesn't have to know her subjects individually before she sees them or helps them.
But you're not her subject.
And who told you that?
Yes, the palace.
I want to go inside. I want to go.
Ma, he's going to talk to them. He's coming.
My prince is waiting for me. He's waiting for me. I want to go. I want to go. The palace. The palace. The palace. The palace.
You didn't say anything of such. So, you leave.
Well, I tell you what. I will not be leaving this gate until I see the queen.
Well, I won't be opening this gate for you.
Okay, we shall find out.
So we will wait.
it comes often.
Majesty. Stay. The young man that came yesterday by name Fred is at the gate insisting that he wants to see you. And he wouldn't leave the gate without seeing you.
How can I see someone that has no identity? Someone that has refused to give out his full identity. How can I allow him to come inside the palace? What if he's a kidnapper or as well an assassin?
He's none of those, Your Majesty. I can vouch for him. Whatever that is bringing him to this palace is very important.
Well, go back and tell him that I refused that gate to be opened, except to give out his full identity. Go.
I think you should hear him out.
You think so? So it's necessary. Then go and let him in.
People should be mindful of whatever they do these days, 'cause there is always a repercussion at end. Anything done in the dark must surface one day. Ofaka rotamanu uzwaronu banu ujeje neno wanemo emisheru kurana bukite. Destiny can be delayed, but not denied. Not denied. Let it be to you as you wish, Destiny can be delayed, but not denied. Not denied. Let it be to you as you wish, Destiny can be delayed, but not denied. Let it be to you as you wish, Destiny can be delayed, but not denied. Let it be to you as you wish,
Greetings, Your Highness.
Are you the young man that has refused to leave my gate except this evening?
Yes, Your Highness.
Why would you do that?
Well, Your Highness, this matter that I have brought to the royal palace is a matter of humanity. But I believe that your subjects are rotting away in a faraway land.
What are you talking about, young man?
I am as lost as you are.
Well, there's a certain young lady who was raised by a madwoman, and she has come of age. And in a bid to know more about her, I realized that her problem can be traced to the origin of this place.
Traced to this palace?
Yes.
How?
Each time she becomes aggressive, she talks about coming to the palace. And then when her daughter sings for her, she becomes calm.
This is becoming interesting.
Are you with the young woman and the mother?
Right here, if you excuse me.
What is she doing here?
You seem to know the madman very well. Who is he?
I don't know her. I've not met her before. This is my first time. I don't know her.
Don't expect me to believe you, Your Highness.
Oh no, please. Okay. Please. I need to be left alone, please. Just go. Go.
Sort yourself.
Go.
Oh my God, I can't believe what just happened. I can't believe what just happened. So this is how I would have lost my precious life. The assassin I contacted to do this job pointed his gun at me. He pointed his gun at me. Can you believe that? I thought I was already dead. Oh my God, please forgive me. I will not do this again. I am no longer interested with this useless ambition of becoming a queen. I am done. He wanted me to know the same gun he uses to kill people can still kill me. He wanted me to know how horrible it is to waste people's life. See, when he pointed the gun at me as a tape, my whole life was played as a tape before me. See, I am done. I am no longer interested of being a queen. I am no longer interested to get married to a prince who does not have any iota of love for me. I am no longer interested in any royal marriage. I am leaving. I've contacted my agent to book the next available flight. I'm leaving first thing tomorrow morning.
What was the chaos about that made you fire a gun today?
My prince, something very terrible happened in this palace now. And I believe that the solution you have been looking for is very close to us.
See, tell me, what happened?
A certain young man has been coming to this palace to see the queen. But the queen wouldn't see him. Today, the man insisted that he won't go until he sees the queen.
Alright. Did he see the queen?
He came with a certain mad woman that has a daughter. And it appears that this mad woman knows the queen. And the queen knows her too. She was accusing the queen of taking you away from her. And the queen couldn't deny it.
Taking me away? What?
Yes, my prince.
This palace today. You heard me. Who was the mad woman that visited this palace today?
I don't know any man.
Of course you know, and you better start talking. If you don't speak now, believe me, you will not like the next thing I'll do. Who was the mad woman that visited this palace today?
I don't know any
man. I believe you know. You know that mad woman. It has something to do with the mental attacks I've been having. That lady is connected to this palace. Who is she?
I don't know. I don't know.
You don't know? So you're lying. You're lying. You don't want to talk. No problem. Don't talk. I swear. Never saw this coming.
prince.
Mama, wait.
Take me to the
Mama,
palace.
Mama,
you say, take me to the
Mama,
palace.
we take you to the palace. Just wait.
You say, take me to the palace. Take me to the palace.
Mama, you just sit down. Sit down.
I'll confess. Confess, I'm listening. One.
It's just that.
Two.
Oh, okay, it started when.
The song I said. It started again, yes. They're calling me. They're calling me. Hi. They're calling me. Calling me. I need to. Calling me. I said open the gate! Mother, can't you hear it? Huh? Can't you hear it? It's getting louder.
Please calm down.
It's getting louder, Mother, I need you. It's getting louder. It's getting louder, Mother, I need you. It means it's actually close. Move!
Evil can only last for a while, no matter how tough the night may be. They must face one
She took my prince. She took away my prince from me. She.
Okay, let's go. What did you do to this woman?
Has come calling. I thought it was over. I thought I have succeeded. I never knew that one day, truly, someone cannot run away from his shadows. One can't run away from his shadows.
Hi! Ogenede, I don't want. Okulu Okalisia. Oju Ghana Wareze. Hey! Adakuni Makasi. See, I do not belong to common class. I belong to royalty. The palace is my destiny. And my destiny I must achieve. Yes. Prince Obinna, behold your beautiful bride. People of Aziza Kingdom. Behold your new queen. I have one. Who else would the prince choose over me? I have no match in this village. Yes. The throne is for me. And the throne I must have. I'll get it there. Ada. I'll do go daddy. This is one problem that I have with that Dako. She doesn't keep to time. She has been keeping me waiting for more than an hour now. Oh. I know she's spending a whole lot of time before that mirror in the name of makeup. What kind of friend did I make for myself like this now? I'm tired of waiting. Oh, Ada, how do I look? How do I look? Madam, you are late and you're asking me how do you look? You are late. Can you for once keep to time? Apologize first. I should apologize. Say sorry now. Here. I should say sorry. To who? To me. For what? For keeping me waiting for more than an hour. I've been waiting here. You don't want to apologize. Adora, you could say something else. Anyway, I don't blame you. Let's go. The Crown Prince of Aziza Kingdom is in town. His father brought him back from abroad where he has been all his life to pick a bride from our town. Are you serious? Adaka has to, be ready at all times. That's why I'm all dressed up because you don't know where. You might just see the prince pass by and wow. He's in a search mood now. He's looking for a bride. But wait though, you are not a good friend. Sure you know. You knew about all this. You did not even tell me. But if I should be the one, I would have informed you long time ago. You are not a good friend though. Sorry now. What's that? Wait, let me just rush up to the house, at least to do small touch up on my face. You want to go where? To the house to do makeup small, so that the prince will see me. You want to go to your house to do makeup, so that the prince will see you? Okay. Wait, I will not take much of your time.
Please, let me just change the clothes. Change this clothes, at least to wear something better.
No, wait. In your small mind, you think the prince, the crown prince of Aziza Kingdom will pick somebody like you? Hey!
Why are you like this? Why do you like making me to feel less of myself? Why are you like this? Did I say anything? I did not say anything bad. Hey, I was telling you the obvious. Prince use you when I'm here. Ada comes here. Ada, I'm sorry now.
Speak for me. My love has been taken away. He's the only love of my life. Cause of our life.
Why should my own best friend humiliate me in such a way? Where did I wrong her? Somebody that have been standing waiting for more than an hour. Adako, I will not forgive you. I'll never forgive you for doing this to me.
Do I even care? I didn't say anything wrong now. What is it, Seth?
Adaku.
Ify, baby.
See your makeup.
Okay. You're looking your best today.
Thank you.
But anyway, mine is on top of the world right now. Did you see the prince pass this round?
The prince?
Yes, did you see him?
No, I did not see him. I didn't see him now. I was actually standing here with Adora. We were supposed to go to Okpa, but she just ran off.
Oh, really? But someone said he heard one of the palace men saying that the prince will be visiting Ungo River for a swimming experience.
You don't say. Are you sure about this?
How am I supposed to know?
In that case, I think we should go to Ungo River.
Of course, let's
go now. Let's give it a try now. You know, I just see friends. You are sure?
What a day.
The prince will finally meet his bride.
What bride is that? And what bride are you talking about? His bride? What
Isn't
bride?
It obvious? I am the prince's bride. Huh? I am the most beautiful girl in this village.
Oh.
And all I need is for the prince to just set his eyes on me.
Oh, really? Oh, really? Come on, just stay that side and let me walk where and don't let me stop.
Oh, please, let's go.
So that I will not be thinking amiss.
Think whatever.
Good day. Long live the crown prince of Aziza Kingdom.
How are you doing, ladies of Aziza?
I'm perfectly, exceptionally fine, my prince charming.
Yes, I'm doing so good today. Very fine.
That's good. Yes.
And what's wrong with you? The prince is not going with the bride. The most beautiful queen in this town. The prince is not going with her.
You're fidgeting like a baby. You can't see me. You don't know I'm the most beautiful girl in this village. No, look at me. Look at the beauty. Shut up. You will be the one to shut your mouth. You are not the one seeing the most beautiful friend that you have that belongs to the prince. You think you can get him? Hey, go ahead. Yes,
I'm not giving up on you.
Come on, shut up. I'm not shut your mouth. Shut your mouth. Where are you running to? You don't have to run. No, you don't have to run. You know the prince belongs to me. Yeah? Don't take it back. You know the prince belongs to me. Come on here.
I am a nobody with no one to speak for me. I am a nobody with no one to speak for me. I have no class in the society. So
Greetings to you, the crown prince of Aziza Kingdom.
Beautiful maiden of Aziza Kingdom, why are you crying?
Hi, talking to me, my prince.
Yes, of course, I'm talking to you. Come close to me. So why are you crying?
It's nothing.
You don't want to tell the prince about it?
No.
Okay. What's your name?
My name is Adora.
Adora.
Yes, my prince.
Daughter of many. Mother of many. What a beautiful name for a beautiful maiden.
Thank you so much, my prince. I'm flattered.
You don't have to be. It's too all over the kingdom of Aziza. Young girls are busy doing makeup heavily to impress the prince. Here is a girl who has no makeup on her, looking naturally the way God created her. Nature is a beauty. I hope you are from this kingdom.
Yes, I'm from his kindred.
Today you have found favor in the sight of the prince. You go and tell your parents that the prince will come and pay them a visit. But first, you will come to the palace tomorrow morning so that I can present you to my father, the king.
My prince! Who am I that the prince will choose me? I hope I'm not dreaming. Hey! What just happened now? The prince chose Adora over me? Hey! No! No! No, not after I left the city to come to this village so that the prince will see me and pick me. Hey, no. How did she do it? Am I dreaming? Adako, wake up. It's a dream. Ah! No. This is not happening. This is not happening, no. I can't take this. I cannot take this. The prince belongs to me. The prince is mine and mine alone. And no, that dirty Adora. No. How could you choose Adora over me? No. I must have the prince. I can't live without him. I can't take this. If I don't have the prince, I'm going to die. No. The prince is mine and mine alone. And I must have him. I must have him.
Daughter, what brings you to the great deity of Omaliko?
Great one. All my life, I've always dreamt of being the king's wife. But the prince chose my friend instead of me to be his bride.
Then what do you want Omaliko to do for you?
I want the prince. I want the prince to change his mind and accept me.
What about your friend? What do you want the great Omaliko to do to her? Because when she's out of your way, that's when the prince will see you.
I want her to die. No. I want her to run mad. Yes. She will be going to the palace to see the prince tomorrow morning. I want her to run mad before tomorrow morning.
First of all, I'll give you a substance to rub on her forehead. Make her run mad. But you must make sure that no one is there to hold her. Because when she's being held, the madness can be cured. But if there's no one there to hold her, the madness will take her out of this kingdom. And she can never retrace her footstep back to this kingdom again.
Exactly what I want. Yes.
Secondly, I will give you a candle that you must burn all night. Calling the name of the prince. Staring at the candle. In the morning, go to the palace to see the prince. When the prince sets his eyes on you, he will accept you.
Thank you. Thank you, great one.
Lastly, the longer you stay awake burning that candle, the longer the charm works on the prince. So I will advise you to stay awake all through the night.
If that's what it will take for me to be the next queen of this land, it's not too much a sacrifice to make.
You will come back every year to sacrifice a big cow to this deity, if your wish is being granted.
I will, great one. I will even do more. Eh?
What is it? What is it? Why are you here? Why are you here? After you gave me the insult of my life, why are you here?
That's why I'm here. To apologize to you. I'm sorry. I don't know what came over me. Please forgive me. You know you're my friend now. Forgive me.
Honestly, you made me feel so hot. You made me feel bad. But what turned out for my good.
How?
You can't believe it. As I ran away from you, I stopped somewhere and I was crying. The prince came and asked me why I was crying. Long story cut short, the prince has chosen me as his bride.
Wait, the prince has chosen you as his bride?
His bride?
Hey! Adam, congratulations!
Thank you.
So you are now you now be the new queen of our land.
Yes.
Adam, my friend! Hey! Congrats!
Thank you.
Hey, I'm happy for you.
Thank you. He said I should come to the palace tomorrow so that he will present me to his father.
You mean you're going to the palace tomorrow?
Yes.
Now I'm going with you. I will follow you to the palace because you know you're my best friend.
Yeah.
Now that the prince chose you as his bride, I should also go to the palace with you. Now that you will be there as the queen, now you know you give me maybe the chief palace maid or the chief cook. I think queen assistant will be better.
You're so funny. You're so funny.
And I'm not being funny. I'm being very serious. Because there is no way you will be in the palace and I will be here. You have to be there with you as your best friend. So tomorrow morning, I shall come and escort you to the palace.
As if you knew it. I was wondering how I'll go to that palace all alone.
Don't worry, you have me. You have a duck. You see that my queen assistant job. I have to start practicing it tomorrow.
Yes, we are going together tomorrow.
I'll follow you to the palace.
Thank you.
Congrats.
Thank you.
Congrats. I'm so happy for you.
Prince Obinna. Prince Obinna. Prince Obinna, you are mine. 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 Prince Obinna.
Oh my God. Hey. Hi. Palace. Palace. Hey, she must have gone to the palace without me. Okay. It's still morning. I have to go and freshen up. And go to the palace. Palace. Hey.
If you can only for a while, no matter how
Only God knows that I cannot wait for a dark for so long today, just the way I did the other day. I can't. Because I don't want to keep the prince waiting. Oh.
I'm so sorry, eh? I said I'm not going to keep you waiting today.
Only God knows that I never wanted to wait for you, but it's fine. Oh. Why are you looking like this?
Like what?
Normally you cannot come out without doing makeup. And you did not dress to kill.
My friend.
Look at your eyes. So dim. Did you sleep last night at all?
Hi, my friend, eh? They did not allow me to sleep. Eh? I didn't sleep till this morning.
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry about that.
Thank you. And as for the makeup, there's no need for makeup now. I am not the one the prince chose. You are the one he chose, and you should be the one at your best. Eh?
Yes,
you know, I'm only following you to the palace as your maid. I'm just escorting you.
This is my friend. You are so funny. But it's fine. Let's go. I don't want to keep the prince waiting. Yes, let's go.
Greeting, Crown Prince of Aziza Kingdom.
It shall be well with you. Has any maiden come looking for me?
Nobody has come, my prince.
Good. Good. A certain maiden of this kingdom shall come looking for me. Once she comes, bring her to me, or you keep her at the outer court, and let me know of her presence.
Noted, my prince.
Good.
But not deny. Let it be to you as you wish, other. Destiny can be delayed, but not deny. Let it be to you as you wish, other. Destiny can be delayed, but not denied. Let it be to you as you wish, other.
Where are you going to now? Why are you taking that route? That's not the road to the palace now.
This is my friend. How come you will be in this village and you don't hear things happening around you?
Eh? I don't understand. How will I know? You know I'm always on my own. I don't go out. You're the only person that I have. Okay, gist me the latest.
You know, because of a prince's presence in town, all the masquerade in Aziza Kingdom are parading through this road from morning till evening. Yes, and you know it's a taboo for a maiden to come face to face with a masquerade.
So this is how I would have met my Waterloo today if you did not come with me. Oh, thank you very much. Thank you.
Better friends for now.
Thank you. So how do we now connect to the palace?
There is a shortcut. I'm sure you've not taken it before. Come. Oh,
I
let me
trust
show
you
you
now.
Very short.
Life is just too mysterious.
Mysterious? Why did you say so?
I noticed something yesterday.
And what could that be?
All the maidens of Aziza Kingdom were all looking at their best, knowing fully well that the prince is in town. And he is in town to choose a bride. But to my greatest surprise, he only chose one girl who was not properly dressed, and the girl was not even putting on makeup.
That's because the said maiden appeared the way God created her. Other maiden appeared fake with makeups. Don't forget, kings marry real women, not fake.
Is she not here yet?
Not yet, my prince.
What could be keeping her? Ah.
This route is so far. We would have reached Palace since now. You know, it's nobody's fault though. Even the prince himself knows that there is no way you can take that route. Knowing fully well the masquerades are parading today. I don't know why it has to be today that I'm going to the palace for the first time. The masquerade has to do their parade. Me, I don't like this thing, honestly. You know, life is full of coincidence. That coincidence is what I don't like. I am tired of walking.
It's okay. We're almost there. We'll go down now. We'll just bust out to the right road to the palace.
Okay.
It's okay. I don't know. You should be happy. You should be smiling. You're going to be the prince.
I'm tired though. What is this? Eh? What is this? Where is the shortcut now? Why are we not there yet?
We're almost there. Just by that corner. Let's go.
Why are we not there yet? Instead, we keep going deeper, deeper, deeper into unknown.
I said we are almost there now. We're almost there. Let's just go. There's something on your head. Wait.
What?
There's something. Wait now. Let me remove it. You always. I don't like this that you're doing all the time.
What is it now? What is on my head now?
This.
Palace! My prince! I'm coming.
Yes.
I'm coming, my prince.
That way. Just go that way.
My prince! Palace!
Yes, Palace.
I'm coming.
Yes,
I'm coming.
Keep going that way. Go now. Just go. Just keep going. Go. Hi.
My prince! Palace!
Go now. Go. Hey. And that was all I knew about her till date.
Hey, you're very evil. You're a very wicked person. Look at what you did to your best friend. Your own best friend. Child. Hey, Mama. Mama, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry I was not there to help you. I'm so sorry nobody was there to help you.
My prince. My palace.
And that was how
I became his wife. Till death.
What? Jesus. My father really ain't had one chance.
Hi. Hi. Mama. She stole from you. She stole what belongs to you. No wonder my mother is always aggressive. She keeps telling anyone she sees, she tells them to take her to the palace and to the prince.
Yes, the palace.
I never understood what she was saying, Mama. I'm so sorry. Hey.
It didn't end there. Last year, to be precise, just like the Dibia said, the charm failed. And suddenly the king realized himself.
Who are you? And what are you doing here in my palace?
Are you alright, my king?
Yes. I just got right. Who are you, please? How do I end up with you? Where is Adora, my chosen bride?
Lastly, the longer you stay awake burning that candle, the longer the charm works on the prince. So I will advise you to stay awake all through the night.
If that's what it would take for me to
I slept off. I wasn't awake. I wasn't awake all through the night. Oh, my king.
What are you saying? I don't understand you.
Adora did not make it to the palace, but I did. I'm the one you chose, remember?
I can't remember choosing you. I hate makeups. You wear a lot of makeups. How could I have ended up with you?
My king. Let us have breakfast first, my king. Then we'll talk about it later.
We really need to talk about it. How could you be the mother of my son, Prince Ikenna? How?
Eat your breakfast first, please.
Evil can only last for a while. No matter how tough the night may be, they must surface in one another. Truth must be told, maka de bichafi maka. Destiny can be delayed, but not denied. Not denied. Let it be to you as you wish other. Destiny can be delayed, but not denied. Not denied. Let it be to you as you wish other. Destiny can be delayed, but not denied. Let it be to you as you wish other. People should be mindful of whatever they do these days, 'cause there is always a repercussion at the end. Anything done in the dark must surface one day. Ofaka rotamanu, ozoronu. Banu banu ujeje neno wanne mo. Emise rukura bukite. Destiny can be delayed, but not denied. Not denied. Let it be to you as you wish, other. Destiny can be delayed, but not denied. Not denied. Let it be to you as you wish, other. Destiny can be delayed, but not denied. Let it be to you as you wish, other. Destiny can be delayed, but not denied. Let it be to you as you wish, other. Destiny can be delayed, but not denied. Let it be to you as you wish, other. Destiny can be delayed, but not denied. Let it be to you as you wish, other.
Mother, I do not understand. What did you just say?
He complained of stomach pain. And he was rushed to the hospital. On getting there, the doctor diagnosed him and said he has appendicitis and that his condition is so critical. Before I know it, he gave up.
Just like that?
Thank you for you really saved my ass the other day.
I couldn't have said no to your demands, knowing fully well that you will be made to swear. That's why I said the real cause of his death, my queen.
I will never forget this in my whole entire life. I sent 10 million naira in your hospital account. Did you receive it?
I got the alert. Good. Thank you so much, my.
Thank you very much. Well, let me drop you off.
You killed my father. You killed my father and you made the doctor lie to us about the cause of his death.
My ambition took the better part of me. I don't deserve to live again. Go ahead. Shoot. Kill me! Kill me!
You deserve to live. You deserve to die. You deserve to die and rot in hell. I'll get the police to arrest you and your accomplice, the doctor. Yes, I will. Gosh.
Yes! Yes! I killed him! I killed him! He wanted to kill me first! I killed him! Yes! Where am I? Where am I? What am I doing here? Mama. What am I doing here? Who are you?
Mama, you're fine? Mama, just... Mama,
who are you?
Mama, you're fine? Mama, just calm down.
Who is your mother?
Mama, calm down. Calm down. I'm your daughter. Okay, calm down. Let me explain everything to you. This is your friend. Your friend, she actually made you mad.
Uh-huh.
She made you mad, and then she used charm.
Yes!
To collect the prince.
Yes!
Prince that was supposed to marry.
I did it!
My friend. Yes, Mama, your friend Adaku, she confessed to her crime, and this is Mama, she's the one running mad. Your friend, can't you remember your friend? Mama, do you remember any Adaku? Your friend Adaku? Mama, you've been talking about coming to the palace. You don't remember the prince. You don't remember anybody. Mama, this is the palace. You've always been telling me to take you to the palace. This is the palace. Your friend, you don't remember anything. But Mama, Destiny has taken its own course. She's the one running mad now.
Adak, I took you like a sister. Adak, you did this to me. Look at what you've turned me into. Adak, look at what you've turned me into.
Mama, I'm your daughter. Mama, you're fine.
I killed him all!
Evil can only last.
I killed and buried him myself. It was me that killed him all! I killed him. Open the gate! Open the gate! Never open it. You never open it. Open the gate now. Wait. Open it. Open before I kill you. Okay. Open the gate. I killed him all.
Give me what? Lock it. Hey, listen. If she ever comes back, do not open that gate again. Is that clear?
Yes, my prince. Yes, my prince.
I knew the queen had a skeleton on her cupboard. The moment she started behaving in a certain unpredictable way, I knew it.
I still can't believe this, honestly. I still can't believe it. Who would have thought that she's responsible for my father's death? Who? I've been having these mental issues for a very long time now, for years. I've been looking for the solution. I didn't even know that the cause of the problem has been living with me.
Praise to the gods. Nemesis has caught up with her. She has dragged us back a lot in this kingdom. Now it's time to move the kingdom forward. The evil in the land has been sorted out. The land can move forward now.
I agree with you, no. I agree. Speaking of moving forward, the lady whose position was wickedly taken from her and her daughter, how do we compensate them?
The palace is their home now. We shall make a consultation to the gods of this land for them to tell us the right way to compensate the woman of everything taken away from her.
I agree. That's very wise. Yes, they'll stay here. And I'll make sure that anything they need, they'll get it. They will be well taken care of. And of course, compensated.
People should be mindful of whatever they do these days, because there is always...
Now your problems are over. You need to take a wife as soon as possible so that you can ascend to the throne of Aziza Kingdom. Aziza Kingdom has stayed so long without a king. And I know that the gods of this land are no longer happy with us.
I have somebody I want to marry. Yes, a maiden. She worked in this palace, but the previous queen sent her away. I intend to find her. I know I'll find her, and once I do, I'll get married to her.
As long as she's a maiden of Aziza Kingdom, you are free to marry her. You have my support.
Thank you. Thank you very much for your support. You know, once I'm ready for the marriage, I'll let you know.
Thank you. Fast. We are already lagging behind.
I will.
Yeah, I think my
my
friends.
No,
you have my support. Everything.
I must commend you for the efforts you put in to make this happen. Yes, I must commend you. I will not forget you.
Thank you very much.
This kingdom will not forget you. In the history of this kingdom, it will be said that a man named Fred was pivotal in bringing back justice to this kingdom.
Thank you very much, my friends. Thank you for giving me the opportunity without doing it.
Truly, I appreciate it. Welcome to this kingdom. Welcome to this palace at any time as a VIP.
Thank you, sir.
I appreciate it. In the meantime, the head of the palace guards will bring you a package. You know, more like thanks for coming. Yes, for your efforts. But that is just the tip of the iceberg. In the fullness of time, I'll invite you so you can come back here for proper recognition and appraisal for a job well done.
Thank you very much. I'll be waiting.
Thank you. We'll see you soon. From this moment, you are members of the royal family. So please, relax, feel free. Anything you want, just say it, and you will have it. I've assigned some maidens to you, and you have guards at your disposal. We have guards everywhere, securing us, and of course securing both of you. So anything you need, let them know. They'll do it. If you want anything, any kind of service, let them know. They'll handle it.
Thank you so much, my prince. Thank you. Thank you for all you did for us. We really appreciate them.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, my friend. Thank you for taking a pauper like me out of the dungeon and setting me up amongst kings. Mama, who would have imagined? Who would have imagined that the daughter of a mad woman that roams around the streets begging for alms? Who would have imagined that I'm here dining with kings as a princess? Dear.
Thank you so much. My prince, please. I want to ask you for a favor.
Go ahead.
I want to take my daughter with me to go and see my people. Since they heard what happened, they have been trooping in to this palace. But the palace security could not allow them in to see me. So I want to take my daughter to go and see them. And we will come back afterwards.
Alright, I understand. I'll have the head of the guards make arrangements for that. You will have security. Yes, you go with the royal entourage, you go with guards, maidens, you go with security. You're not commodores anymore. You're royalty now, so you should move like royalty.
Thank you so much. Thank you. May the good Lord continue to guide you. May the God keep you.
Amen.
May He continue to protect you.
Amen.
Thank you. Thank you. You remind me of your late father. He was a good man, a kind-hearted and compassionate. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you, my prince. I really appreciate it.
Thank you so much, my prince, for everything.
I know a day like this, for as long as the gods of this land have destined me to marry my daughter, it does not matter whether the queen likes it or not. The wish of the gods. Sure.
I like that. Thank you, Chief.
You're welcome.
It took me to your daughter left the palace without it.
You are welcome to my humble abode.
Thank you.
I know a day like this will come. For as long the gods of this land have destined you to marry my daughter, it does not matter whether the queen likes it or not. The wish of the gods must surely prevail.
Definitely. I like that. Thank you very much, Ichi.
You're welcome.
It took me about 2 months to find you. Your daughter left the palace without a trace. The only person who knows her address is the queen. No other person. And since they are not allowed to use phones in the palace, it was very difficult to find this place. But trust the willpower of a determined man. I found you.
Once again, my prince, you're welcome.
Thank you very much. Where is the object of my interest? Tell her I'm here.
My prince, the queen sent assassins to kill her. But thanks to the gods that I serve, who did not allow it to happen, I took her to a safer place where the queen will not see her, pending the fulfillment of destiny. And I'm glad to announce to you today that destiny is about to be fulfilled. Anyways, I shall go fetch her and tell her all that has befallen the queen, our enemy. Hereafter, I will personally bring her to the palace to see you.
Good. I will be waiting.
You're welcome, my prince.
Thank you, Ichi.
Great Ogogo, I said I must always come to thank you each time you do something great for me. You have proven yourself to be the great one. Today, the prince drove into my compound, asking after my daughter. I have come to thank you with this vow. And the queen, who has been a barrier between them, has been removed. And I am promising you, right here and now, that on the night of their wedding, I am going to sacrifice you right on this altar, a cow, to say thank you. Thank you, great one.
Hey boy, how you can't detect a child at 3 months sex. You can't.
And I am the father. I have to detect what happens to my child in here.
It's just 3 months. You can't tell the sex of a child when it's 3 months.
So babe, when am I going to see your people? So I can do the needful.
Look, anytime you say this, it just keeps my heart. Babe, I want us to do this at the right time, please. Please.
You keep saying at the right time. When is the right time?
Look, I want us to do this after the prince finally gets married to the girl his mother is forcing him to get married to.
The prince again. The prince. Does it mean?
What is going on?
Papa, good morning. Good evening, good afternoon, sir.
You? Yes, me. But please, don't judge me by my past. I'm a changed person now. I'm a new person.
Tell me, what are you doing with my daughter?
Father, your daughter will soon be my wife. It will soon be the mother of my child. She's pregnant for me. And please, Papa, calm down. Your daughter is carrying my child. Please, I will urge you to see me as your in-law. Please, I beg you.
Who is your in-law? Anuleka, what nonsense in-law is he talking about?
Papa, but please, can explain. Please. When you asked me to move over here, I didn't know how you located me to the village. He started trading me from the market to this place. But one thing he didn't know was I knew he was following me.
Hello, customer. Customer, what is it now?
No, I'm okay.
What do you want to buy? Customer, what do you want to buy?
Don't worry, just give me 2
So you know how much now? Customer, so you know how much?
Yes.
No lie, Loma, take them.
Okay, don't worry.
Thank you.
Okay, 42.
Customer.
Thank you. Do you know if I pull this trigger, you'll be a dead man? Are you aware? Are you aware? Good. So, what if you had entered the house and found me sitting or coming out of the room? I would have been a dead woman by now, right? Why? Why do you want to waste a life you didn't create? Why would you want to spill the blood of an innocent person when there is no immunity that guarantees that your own life is unspillable? You know, if I have your kind of mindset, you'll be dead by now. Yes. So I would ask you a question. If you were to choose between life and death, which would it be? Answer me before I pull the trigger.
I would choose life.
You would choose life. So that means you know the what of life. But yet, you choose to end someone else's life. Let me ask you a question. What is the worth of life to you? $10 billion? $100 billion? A life you can't create? You know, I would have handed you over to the village securities, but now, I don't want you to die. I believe you have a God-given destiny, and I wouldn't want to cut that short. Because I don't want other destinies that are attached to your destiny to suffer. When you kill a man, you don't just end his life. You end every other destiny attached to his destiny. So I'll let you go. So I'm going to give the gun back to you. If you choose to shoot me, but if you choose to walk away and be a free man, the choice is all yours. Shoot me. Shoot me! Do it!
Who are you? And why do they want you dead?
I got to this place. My grandmother leaves for the market very early. And she returns very late at night. I got lonely. Lonely and lonely every day until you started coming. What do you want? What are you doing here?
Listen to me. All my life, no one has ever spoken to me the way you did. I lived a free life. Do whatever I wanted. My mother was a single mother who survived through street life. My mother was a single mother. She survived through street hustle. She never had that time to take care of me or correct me or even teach me the good, the bad and the ugly. I had to choose my own path. The only life I knew was killing people. I killed to make money. I was deriving joy and I was proud. Killing people, but I never knew what I was doing. My killing started when I saw my mother's body lying lifeless. She was killed by a ritualist who contracted her for a night, but ended up killing her and harvesting her organs.
I'm sorry about your mother.
Thank you.
So what do you want?
You are my angel. You add meaning to my life. I need you in my life and I don't want to let go of you.
I don't understand. You need me in your life. As what? As what? I don't get it.
As my friend. My companion.
Mr. Man, stop asking for the impossible, please. You need to leave.
Please, do not let the good work you started in my life to be a waste. Please, I'm begging you.
You need to leave. Stop asking for the impossible. It will never happen.
But it is possible.
You need to go.
God used you to change me. Please.
I've told you that what you're asking of me is impossible. I have a destiny in the palace. I have told you that what you're asking of me is impossible. It can't be granted. Listen, I have a destiny in the palace. I am in love with the Prince of Aziza Kingdom and he's madly in love with me too. I'm only here for a while until my Prince Charming comes looking for me.
You do not have any destiny with the prince. I am your destiny. Believe me.
What you're asking of me is impossible.
Do you know how many lives I have wasted? Do you know how many destiny that I have cut short? And do you know how many more lives I would have wasted? Or destiny that I would have cut short? But you came to my life. Can't you see? You are my destiny. You don't have a place in the palace. Believe me. You are my destiny. We are meant to be.
And all the loneliness disappeared. He became my friend. And I realized that I couldn't stay there without seeing him. And Papa, one thing led to another and I got pregnant.
I'm sorry. I've been telling her to take me to you so that I can do the needful, so that she can officially be my wife, so that I can be man and woman. But she keeps pushing me away. But I'm sorry for everything.
Anolega, so this is the destiny you have chosen for yourself, apart from the one chosen for you by the gods.
I'm sorry.
It's alright. I do not have any other thing to tell you.
Papa, I'm sorry. Papa, I'm sorry. Papa, I'm sorry. Please forgive me, Papa. Please, I'm sorry. Sorry, Papa, please, I'm sorry. Papa, please. Papa, I'm sorry.
Okay. I believe you are my destiny. We meeting was ordained by the gods. I believe you don't have a place in the palace. You are my destiny. Just let your father be. Later, he will understand.
My father is disappointed.
I know, but just
Ibani Bakuro. Ibani Bakuro. The counsel of the gods, no one can dispose. The decision of the gods, no one can alter. The mistake of the first generation must be corrected in the second generation.
Wise one, speak in a plain language so we can understand.
The destiny of Prince Obinna is to be fulfilled in the destiny of Prince Ikenna. Why you were having attacks when you heard the song is because your soul has been knitted to her soul in the spirit world. And what her mother lost with your father is what you have to make happen so that the spirit of your father can rest in peace.
Wise one, if I understand you clearly, you're saying I should marry the daughter of the woman whose position as queen was wickedly taken. Is that it?
Exactly.
That is your destiny, and you can never run away from it.
But I've already given my word to another woman. Promised to marry her.
Don't let history repeat itself. It's in your hands to save the next generation from what you suffered or leave them to their doom. The ball is in your court to play. Remember, you have the key.
The maiden I talked about. I love her. I've always loved her. And I still love her, up till now. And I promised her that I would get married to her. My mother wanted me to marry someone else. She made the choice by herself, and I told her it will not work. I'm a man, I'm not a child. You cannot choose a wife for me. I don't love that woman, I don't want her. So it didn't work. And while all this was happening, I kept on promising that maiden that I would marry her, right? So now that my mother is no more, I want to go and bring her back. I've already talked with her father, and her father promised to bring her back here.
Have you asked yourself why you were hearing a song that is being sung in a far away land inside your room? Does it sound ordinary to you?
No, it doesn't.
Have you asked yourself why you are the only one hearing that same song? And each time you hear it, it draws you to itself. You find yourself going to the direction where it's coming from. Does it look ordinary to you?
No.
Have you asked yourself why suddenly, after you met Adora and her daughter, and they started living in the palace with you, you have not had the sound or had any attack mentally? Have you? count your teeth with your tongue. I'm leaving.
You look downcast. Where's your daughter? You promised to bring her the last time we spoke. She's supposed to be here now.
Yes, my prince. The object of your interest has found another man for herself. As we speak, she's carrying another man's child.
What? Carrying another man's child?
Yes, my prince.
Angoli. Pregnant for another man. My own Angoli.
Yes, my prince.
Why would she do such a thing after all we went through? Why would she do that?
My prince, the truth is that I thought both of you have a destiny together. I knew she had a great destiny. That was why I decided that both of you would get married. But I later discovered that her own destiny is even greater than a palace. She has found her own destiny. And I would suggest you two should go find your own destiny.
You're not sleeping yet.
No. That is because I'm not feeling sleepy. But I will just go to my room now.
Please don't. Please come. Come to me. My destiny is with you. Yes. Your voice has a chemistry with my soul. I've tried so hard to deny it. I've tried to run away from it, but I can't anymore. My heart belongs to you. Yes. My heart belongs to you. And today, I want to welcome you into your rightful place. My heart.
With the power vested on me as Onowu of Aziza Kingdom, I hereby crown you Igwe Ikenna Nubisi, Afunwa Eletona one of Aziza Kingdom. This is the symbol of authority to rule this great kingdom of Aziza without fear or favor, and to take the kingdom to the higher level. Igwe Afunwa Eletona one. Igwe.
Nibaya Keremunu. Nibaya Keremunu. Yenu. Ono. Yes. Finally, Aziza Kingdom now has a king. Yes. Please, my people, let us proceed outside and the merriment will begin.
chebesia Bianca mona fufune mesia Ewo ijuwa mo Agama koloni fufu ebuwe mo Ogini kameruwa Mwabiaruwa tabo we ya na fufu Onye muchara nwa rapo nwa ya nipa fibia Onye rụchara na kabiri nipa fibia Ona wowo pio